Welcome back to Skip's Tips. Today I want to talk about a question that we get a lot, and I want to help to provide you an answer to that question. And the question is very simply, when should I replace my air conditioner? People have no idea of when it's time to replace their air conditioner, and as a result they're confused about when to do so. So I will tell you that this is not my own creative thinking. The good news is our government and your taxpayer dollars spent a lot of money to put together this book that speaks in detail about air conditioning, and it can answer a lot of questions about air conditioning, but today we're just going to talk about the question of when should I replace it. So according to Energy Star, which is a government agency, they say that you should replace your air conditioner when it's 10 years old or older, and the cost of the repair is going to be more than $300 or $400 essentially. And this has also been supported by Florida Power and Light and other agencies that do studies on things like this. So if your air conditioner is 8 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old or more, and you have a significant repair bill, you should seriously consider replacing it. And the reasons for this are manifold. First thing is, you might invest in an expensive repair and a month later something else breaks. Not good. We don't want to be in that situation with you as a customer. We don't want you to be in that situation as a homeowner. So good news is, with a new unit comes a new warranty. 10-year warranties typically. You can even get parts and labor warranties, so you'll have peace of mind that you're not going to have trouble with that unit for a long, long time down the road. So good thing to think about. We have the most hours used of air conditioning in the country. Air conditioners run here longer than they do anywhere else. So when it's 8, 9, 10 years old, you should be budgeting to replace it. And please don't wait till it breaks. Do it proactively. You get a great price, and you'll have a great system, and you won't have to worry about unplanned breakdowns. That's all for Skip's Tips today. Hope you enjoyed it.